sadly, we will not be seeing Joey Savagty this weekend in Birmingham after that picture right there from Indy. If you remember, about halfway through the race or at some point, he pulled off into the mechanics area, basically falling off the bike. And it's because he broke, and I'm going to butcher this, so pardon me, the medial cuneiform in his left foot. I know I butchered it. It is whatever. He has a broken something in his left foot. And if you want to see, he posted on his Instagram a video that'll be at the end of this video if you want to see what he said fully. But in the post, he basically went on to say that he tried to race today, or not race today, but tried to ride today with a, wrapping it splint, boot, whatever you want to call it, and some Tylenol, and just couldn't do it. Didn't feel safe to. Also continuing to say, quote, absolutely bummed not to line up in Birmingham this weekend. We'll keep everyone updated, but hope to be back to the races soon. Also, shout out to my 6-year-old for the video work. Good for him. And sucks for him. I mean, obviously, he's had a pretty solid year with 2 5th-place finishes at San Diego and Daytona as his season best. And at the current point, before obviously Birmingham and not racing, he sits 6th overall in the 450 points. Pretty good. I mean, you consider on a quote-unquote privateer Honda team, not, a factory ride, and to be 6th in points overall, it's a pretty solid year for him. I mean, what more can you really ask for other than, a podium and some wins? But if you're racing where he is with the equipment that he has, I'm pretty sure they get some factory support or some parts, but not, not full support. So it's not a full factory ride. And this is a great year for him. It's a pretty solid year. And it sucks that something like this happens, one little break and then you lose a bunch of points. You're out for a weekend, maybe who knows how much longer. Hopefully not, more than one, but I don't know. It sucks to see. You never want to see anybody get injured in general, but this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who wins the East-West shootout? Who wins the 250 title? Who wins the 450 title? Because we all basically know the 250 West is sewn up with Deegan and some major problem with him. But the East-West shootout, it's going to be exciting. And obviously that East title is still open and the 450 titles could be pretty close. And that's where I'm going to leave you. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. It does really help me out and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.
What's up, guys? It's Joey Savagty. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. Unfortunately, not going to make it this weekend. Tried to give it a go today. First time since, obviously, I had my incident. Yeah, I tried. Taped it. Had it in a brace. Big thank you to Garnet for making me something to be able to get a brace in the boot. Yeah, tried. Tape, brace, Tylenol, you name it. Tried everything I could do to be ready for this weekend. Yeah, and unfortunately it's just not something that feels safe for me to do, and yeah, I'm still in a lot of pain. So unfortunately will not be there this weekend, but God willing, I will be ready to go for Detroit.